Hey guys, I'm bored, so we're gonna break a lock real quick. Stop. I'm gonna use the Nerf gun that I broke, because why not?
Dude, the block's not
Tough lock.
Well, if you guys ever want to break a lock, this is not the right way.
It's lock picking at its finest. I think I know what I'm doing. It's not really dying.
So let's
Move your leg. Move your leg.
smash the leg.
But it is not for freaking breaking. So hold the camera, stomp on it a bunch. Oh, there it goes.
Alright, dude, you gotta go like this.
Or like this. Oh,
Fucking stick's gonna break. God. No, let.
oh my
And
gosh.
then the wood's actually gonna break. Like the wood that you're doing.
It's pretty broken. Can't turn
Really?
it past 30.
Oh, really?
No, we're not done yet.
Record it.
Yeah, you can't.
Alright,
Can't.
now just bring it into the light. So here it is. Can't turn it past 30. So that's what I was doing.
Good. Record it. Now you record.
Quit. Alright.
Wait, can I ask you to record?
Okay.
Or I can record.
Oh, this is gonna break something.
I know. That's the point. You might not be able to see it with the crappy lighting, but
Oh, nice.
it's there. And it's being broken.
Oh, it's
The lock.
The thing that you like block it with.
That's what.
To get the pattern.
fast. Start.
Alright, Connor, you do it.
Ah, my hands.
Good. Ow!
Oh, you're right.
It shot at my leg. Yeah. Well, I found the dial.
Oh my gosh!
I have
You
the
can't
dial.
do it anymore. He is broken.
Put it down. Put it down.
Look at my hands! Look at my hands!
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Put it down. Put it down.
Look at.
Look at my hands! Oh
Put
my
it down. Put it
gosh!
down. Put it down.
Bang!
Don't shoot it at my leg this time.
We're gonna try not to break the window.
Beat it up. Beat it up. What have you done? You did
Watch this,
nothing
guys.
there.
There's something there. No. Dude, we should run it with. We should put hot water on it. Oh dang! Look at mine.
All right,
Look at
here
my
it
hands.
goes.
Look at my hands.
Look out.
Look at my hands.
Oh.
Look at mine. That's bad now. It's like Karma Strikes Back.
Pretty much.
Oh my god.
That concludes today. Bye.